Right, a few people have been getting a bit confused with the if or the elif and when to use them and how they're different. So I just put together this little example which really clearly demonstrates the difference. So for example, we've got here a BluesFest little app that'll tell you what type of BluesFest ticket you need. So if you're less than 5 or 5 or less, you don't need a ticket. If you're less than 15, you need a child. If you're less than 18, you need a youth ticket. And if you're over 18, you need the adult ticket. Now, if I run it here with 4 separate if statements, so let's just run that now. And if I say I'm 18, it says you need an adult ticket. Excellent, great. Now, if I run it again, and this time I'm going to say I'm 5, you'll see that it tells me I need a ticket. I don't need a ticket. But then it says you need a child ticket, and then it says you need a youth ticket. And that's because when you have an if statement, it treats each of these as a separate condition or a separate if statement. So it'll say, right, is 5 less than or equal to 5? Yes, that's true. So I'll print you don't need to do a ticket. Is it also less than 14? Yes. So I'll print you need a child ticket. Is it less than 17? Yes, you need a youth ticket. Is it greater than 18? No, so I won't do this. So that's fine. So in this case, that's not what I want. I only want it to choose, the first one that comes up. So this is where we start to use elif. Because as soon as I start putting elifs in here, it treats the whole lot as one piece of code rather than separate if statements. So as soon as it gets to something that is true, it will break out of that whole set. So it's treating all of these 4 if statements now together, and it says, all right, let's run it again. I'm 18. Perfect, that still works. And this time when I say I'm 5, it says you just don't need a ticket, and that's it. And that's because now it's saying if you're less than 5, print you don't need a ticket. That's true. So I don't need to even look at these other 4 things. I'm going to go straight down to the end.